discriminated? And why are we the ones having to protest for our rights when we're the people they looked at when they needed to know how to live off the land? Yes, they may have bring this world to larger aspects, but this is a traumatizing world. Just look around and see all the beautiful people standing around us, here standing up, speaking for what our grandparents and ancestors were taught was wrong, speaking off of which every night they have to go on their knees and pray to their Creator for their souls as if they were bad people. For that they have been brainwashed to forget our ways. I want to bless our elders for keeping our special ways here today, for going through a tragedy that no youth can imagine. For my grandparents and the future generations, I will stand up. I am a voice. Miigwech.